In today's video, we are reviewing Narwal S30 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If you want faster, cleaner floors with less effort, this one is seriously worth watching. Before we start, the link to this wet dry vacuum cleaner is in the description below at the best price in the market. Now let's jump in and see what makes the Narwal S30 so special. Because this is not just a normal cordless vacuum, it's a vacuum and mop in one, made for real-life messes. The biggest reason people love this kind of cleaner is simple. It saves time. Instead of vacuuming first and then mopping after, the S30 does both at the same time in one pass, so your floors look clean and feel clean without extra steps. It comes with a strong 20,000 pascal suction power, which helps it pick up dust, crumbs, hair, and even heavier bits of mess, while fresh water helps wipe away sticky spills like juice, sauce, or food drops. It's designed for hard floors like hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, marble, and more. So it's perfect if you want that smooth, spotless finish without dragging out a bucket and mop. Another feature I really like is the one-touch self-cleaning, because after cleaning your floors, cleaning the cleaner is usually the worst part. But here the roller mop washes itself using 176 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and detergent, spinning forward and backward to reach every bristle. Then it uses heated drying to dry the roller evenly, which helps stop bad smells and keeps it fluffy and fresh for the next use. And it even helps dry the inside parts like pipes and filters too. For anyone who hates touching dirty gunk, the disposable waste bag system is a huge win, because it separates the waste and keeps disposal clean and simple. And if you have pets or long hair, you'll love the dual-layer comb design that helps prevent tangles, so you don't have to pull hair off the roller by hand. It also lies 180 degrees flat to go under furniture, and it turns up to 63 degrees so it can glide around table legs and reach edges along baseboards. Overall, the Narwal S30 is best for busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants quick daily cleaning without stress. If you want a powerful cordless cleaner that vacuums and mops at once, cleans itself, and keeps your floors looking amazing, this is a strong choice. And remember, the link is in the description below for the best price in the market.